Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new headset HyperX Cloud Alpha. It's a gaming headset, as you can see. They slapped all the main gaming platforms as PC, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Mac, mobile, Nintendo Switch. So basically these are standard headphones, nothing fancy. From the specs I can mention this has 50mm drives. It has some kind of special dual chamber sounding for better high-end and low-end frequencies. It also has a detachable mic with noise cancelling. It is also approved for TeamSpeak, Discord, Skype and Mumble. Inside the box you will find a 3.5mm jack. They are connected via 3.5mm jack. The short cable has 1.3 meters and the long cord has 2 meters with a splitter. They have the red accent all over, and the memory cushions are very comfortable from the specs on the box. Let's get to the unboxing itself. Also, they have a fancy handle on top. Also, for mention, I got these headphones for around 60 euros, a discount from 100 euros, which is usually price in my country for these headphones. As you can see, it's a box in a box. Here is the logo of the HyperX. From HyperX I also had 32 gigs of RAM, DDR3 on my last platform, because I switched to Ryzen, and Ryzen meets well with Samsung B-die memory. Let's get up with the cover. As you can see, here is the HyperX has you covered on all platforms. Here are the HyperX family of accessories. I also have a HyperX drive bay. This is the quick guide starter. Shows you how you can connect your mic and jack via separate cables on the PC, or a direct it's a single 4-pole headset jack. Okay, they are so compatible with controller with the Xbox One and also PlayStation 4 controller. As you can see, on Xbox One you need a special adapter. I have the controller but I don't have the Xbox One. I'm playing usually on PC because the games are not so many exclusives on Xbox. As you can see here on the right is the mic itself. It's a nice mic. You can position to your face, so you can go around your face. And let's peel the cover. I think this part comes to the mouth, and this is the other side. I'm not so into the mic, so I don't know which one are better, but from what I heard and seen on YouTube, these one are good. And here is the headset itself. Here on top is the HyperX logo. Here are some plastics, some foil with nice HyperX logo on the sides. Also, if we are here on the top, this top side is very soft. I think prolonged head use won't affect your overall tiredness. The headband is made from aluminum. The cups are very comfortable. Also, this is entirely made from foam. Here are the drives. Here on top you have some vents. Actually, it's kind of an open enclosure for better sounding. These are braided cables for your ear cups when you extend them. This is very nice, so they won't get teared up or down very easily. This is the maximum distance they go, the maximum extension. So you can have a big head. It's actually bigger than the box. The spread. Here down you have the 3.5 jack, which you connect to the PC or whatever platform you are connecting. And here near to it is the mic, which comes in handy. You don't have so if you wanna get them only to listen to music, you can swipe up the Mac, so it won't bother and won't attract looks. Also, they don't have a rotational 90 degrees, so you won't be able to wear them on your shoulders, or in my case on my trapezius. Also, the build quality overall feels very sturdy. All the plastics don't feel cheap, because I had a HP headset which actually disintegrated with my hands. Everything was crumbling after 1 year, if I'm not mistaken. What I've seen on Amazon, I've seen that here on top, where the braided cable is entering the plastic, some got, I've seen some pictures when they cracked, but I don't think this will be the case. Okay, putting aside the headset, let's see what's else in the box. Here is some gel for moisture. Here in the box you will find another smaller box with HyperX logo on it. So, putting the box aside, first thing on, This is the extension cable. This has 2 meters extra of length, so you can connect up to back of your PC. This is the actual cable on from your headset. This has 1.3 meters, if I'm not mistaken. Here is the volume rocker, and here is the mic mute on and off. Okay. I must mention all these are braided cables. I've also seen some posts that the quality of the jacks is not so good, but from what I'm seeing, these ones are perfectly straight, no bending on whatsoever. Let's get to this one. So these are straight up as well. And here is the pouch. It's a closed pouch in which you can put your, with no logo on it. Oh yes, there is a logo, but it's only seen when you're turning on such degree the cloth itself. So you can put your headset inside. And you're good to go. You also can throw in your accessories and you're good to go. I will be using this mainly for PC gaming. Till now I have used non-gaming headset from Sony. I also have a review on this unit. I will be putting them side to side so you can see these two. I've been using the Sony Connect via Bluetooth or via the cable, and I was tiring up in these ones. The head felt a little bit tired on my top, and from time to time my all the pressure is on the upper side of the ear cups, and I have after around 2 hours, not depending on gaming or listening to something, I feel extenuated. So I hope with this gaming headset that the experience would be a little bit better, because they're made for extended use of time. Also, I will miss my noise cancelling function from the Sonys and my wireless connectivity from the Sony. Okay, so wrapping up this video, like if you like this video, dislike if you disliked it. I will, if you have any ideas what I must test this headset, please tell me in the comments and I will test them. Thank you for watching once time again, and have a nice day.